Most renovations begin with a quote and end with a compromise. Trades show up one at a time, each one fixing what the last one left behind. Decisions get made on the job site that should have been made right here. At Zzone Homes, we don't improvise. We build the script before we produce the movie. The Zzone Homes process wasn't designed in a boardroom. It was built over 2 decades of experience. Projects that taught us what breaks, what holds, and what a client actually needs to feel confident from the first conversation to the final walkthrough. Every step in our process exists because something went wrong without it. The structure you'll experience today is the result of 20 years of lessons taken seriously. Great spaces don't begin with demolition. They begin with a question: how should this home live? Before a single wall is moved, the layout is studied, the flow is drawn, the materials are chosen with intention. Design is not a step towards a quote. It is the most important phase of the entire project, and the one most renovation companies skip entirely. A renovation passes through a lot of hands. Here, they're all ours. The people who design your home are the same people who build it together. From the first idea to the final walkthrough. No outside crews, no handoffs. Just one team that knows your project inside and out. Because when everyone works under one roof, every detail has someone who cares about it. And when it's done, there's one name behind it: Zzone Homes.